ठीक है, तो I have, even if I do not know the answer, I have to make it easy for the rest of the participants.
यार मुझे तो मेरा बीवी याद आ रही है. When she is angry, she becomes red and I just go.
That was really
That
funny.
was a good one. Actually सुबह से एक ही गाना याद कर रहा था. अब दिल ही टूट गया तो जीके क्या करेंगे. ठीक है, और अमर भाई ने पहली बॉल पे ना दिल तोड़ दिया.
भाई,
ये क्वेश्चन मेरे लिए उतना ही टफ है जितना चेकोस्लोवाकी की स्पेलिंग.
Czechoslovakia spelling. Okay. Hello again and welcome to our next episode of हम जीके क्या करेंगे. Today we have debutant contestants from all over. We have Anand. Hello Anand. We have Govind. Hello Govind.
हेलो.
And we have Satya. So as you have seen our previous episodes, we come out with an episode of 10 questions. First question is a riddle question with 2 points just to warm up, and the rest 9 questions are GK questions. Each question carries 5 marks. So all the best to you, and let's start our contest today with a quiz question. Goes to Anand. Your question is, when do you stop at green and go at red?
Actually सुबह से एक ही गाना याद कर रहा था. अब दिल ही टूट गया तो जीके क्या करेंगे. ठीक है, और अमर भाई ने पहली बॉल पे ना दिल तोड़ दिया.
भाई,
नहीं भाई, किसी और को मौका दीजिए, अभी तो बुद्धि नहीं चल रही. अच्छा है, पहला क्वेश्चन ना गड़बड़ करना बहुत शुभ होता है.
okay. So Govind, the question comes to you.
हाँ, बहुत देर से सुन रहा हूँ, सोच रहा हूँ. एक ही आंसर दिमाग में आया है. रेलवे क्रॉसिंग.
रेलवे क्रॉसिंग पे मरना है क्या किसी को?
अगर ग्रीन है तो रुक जाओ, रेड है तो ही क्रॉस करो. ठीक
ओके
है.
सत्या.
यार मुझे तो मेरा बीवी याद आ रही है.
Why she put the red bill.
When she is angry, she becomes red and I just go.
That was really funny.
That was a good one.
So I guess I give 0 points to everybody, and the answer is when eating watermelon. So the next GK question goes to Anand, and Anand, your question is here on your screen. According to Hindu literature, a demon was killed by Lord Krishna and Satyabhama, which is celebrated every year as Choti Diwali, Roop Chaudas, or Kali Chaudas. What is the name of the demon?
ठीक है, तो I have, even if I do not know the answer, I have to make it easy for the rest of the participants. अच्छा, is the answer some way
It is the answer is within the name itself.
in the question itself?
No, not in the question, in the name.
Then it has to be Narka.
What Narka? You can repair your answer a bit. You are on the right track, but just repair it a bit.
Repair a bit. Narka. Narkasur.
It is totally right. It is Narkasur. Okay, Govind जी, आपके लिए अगला सवाल आपकी स्क्रीन पर ये रहा. अंग्रेजी में कहावत है, I don't give a damn. What is the etymology of word damn related to Hindi? Etymology का मतलब origination. ये जो शब्द है damn, एक हिंदी शब्द से डिराइव हुआ है. वैसे तो डिक्शनरी में आपको लैटिन वर्ड भी मिलेगा, बट हिंदी वर्ड से भी इंग्लिश लोगों ने कॉपी किया है.
मेरे ख्याल से ये दमड़ी से जुड़ा हुआ है क्या? चमड़ी जाए दमड़ी न जाए.
Wow, you are fully correct. It is Damdi. It is Damdi. Yes. That was a beautiful answer, Govind. Next question to Satya. Which place of India is Union Territory and also capital of 2 states?
Chandigarh.
Completely true. It is Chandigarh. So here we come at the end of the first leg. पहले पड़ाव में तीनों के scores 5-5-5 each है. Well done, guys. So next question, Anand, आपके लिए What is the difference between Great Britain and United Kingdom?
The Great Britain is Scotland, England, Wales, and Ireland. That is that is United Kingdom. Sorry, that is Great Britain. And in United Kingdom, you add Republic of Ireland as well.
You are on a right track, but
Hmm.
please revise your answer.
Okay. Great Britain is just Scotland, Wales, and England.
Correct.
And United Kingdom includes Ireland, Republic of Ireland, and Ireland as well. That landmass, that complete landmass,
So
which holds
what is the
London.
difference between them? What do you say? What is the difference between them?
What is the difference between them? Ireland. That's the only difference.
Well, I'll give you some points on it. I'll keep it on hold. Let me go to Govind. Govind,
Okay.
can you better the answer?
इंग्लैंड, सिर्फ इंग्लैंड जो एक देश है वो है यूनाइटेड किंगडम,
गलत
और
जवाब।
उसके आसपास के जो देश है
नहीं
वो ग्रेट
गलत जवाब।
ब्रिटेन है।
Okay, ठीक है। Satya, coming to you. Govind has given up.
Yes. United Kingdom is united by common monarchy.
Oh,
Or
my friend, I'm telling you, Anant has given 90%, 95% of that line. I'm just looking for that exact word. That's it.
pass. It's not striking me.
Okay, so I'll give 4 points to Anant because he was very near. It is Northern Ireland. In both England, Scotland, and Wales is common. In United Kingdom, it is Northern Ireland. गोविंद जी, अगला सवाल आपके सामने। Katechu plant / herb is commonly used for stomach problems and indigestion. What is its common Indian name? It is very common. हर जगह पे मिलता है इंडिया में।
तो कैटेचू को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं हम आपसे वो भी नहीं पूछ सकते, क्योंकि वही जवाब
है। एंड ये तो आपके रेस्टोरेंट के बाहर भी मिलता है, मैं इतना आपको हिंट दे सकता हूँ। इट इज अ इंग्रेडिएंट फ्रॉम पान।
पान, ओके।
पान के अंदर मिलाया जाता है।
पान के अंदर चूना, कत्था, चंगा, या कत्था इज फाइनल आंसर।
Okay, it is completely true. It is katha. It is also available in Malaysia called kathe, and it is even available in Japan called Terra Japanica. So let me move to the next question to Satya. Satya, are you ready? Who is the Indian author of Artificial Intelligence and Future of Power? He is very, very famous recently with his Hindu book. He's a Hindu vocalist. I can say he's an Indian American Hindu activist. His first name is related to one of the famous politicians of India, or I can say famous Congress politician of India. The first name is exactly as a Congress politician of India. The family name is commonly used as a rich family name in most of the Bollywood movies.
Scindias?
No.
No, I'm not getting it. I'm not getting it. Absolutely. It's blanked out.
Okay. Anand, it comes to you. What is your answer?
Okay. Rajiv.
Correct. What is
And
this?
second, my guess would be Chopra.
No, not Chopra.
If not Rajiv, Chopra, then Rajiv.
Rajiv is correct, but family name is also important because there are so many Rajiv.
Rajiv. Hmm. Bhatt.
No, Govind.
Rajiv Bhatt.
I'll hold on to you, Anand, but I'll check family name with Govind. Govind, yes.
Yeah, Rajiv Kapoor.
No, not Kapoor. Govind, I'll give you one more last guess.
Rajiv Roy.
No,
No.
I'll give 2 points to Anand. It is Rajiv Malhotra.
Malhotra.
Rajiv Malhotra.
So we come to the end of second phase here, and my friend Satya, you are on 5 points. Govind and Anand. Govind is very near to Anand. Govind is on 10 points, and Anand is on 11 points. Okay, Govind.
Yes.
Next question to you. Who played the role of Shakuni Mama in the famous Indian TV series Mahabharat? 1988 में 1988 से 1990 में भारत का सबसे मेगा सीरियल जो प्रसारित हुआ था महाभारत, B.R. चोपड़ा, रवि चोपड़ा के द्वारा निर्देशित, उसमें शकुनी मामा का जो कैरेक्टर है किस एक्टर ने प्ले किया था?
मेरे ख्याल से पेंटल या उसका भाई था, गुफी पेंटल.
It is certainly error free. It is Gufi Painter.
Yes.
Next question goes to Satya. Name this place and 4 American presidents. So you have 5 names in this and 5 points. So how many other names you give? I'll give you so many points.
It's Mount Rushmore,
Correct.
it's Abraham Lincoln,
Correct.
Washington,
Correct. 2 more presidents.
Eisenhower. Some
No.
Hoover.
No.
I'm not getting it.
Okay, so I give you 3 on that. After the next contestant replies the other 2 presidents. Anand, Satya has given 3 names. So I am looking for another 2 names. What are the another 2 names?
आनंद भाई मैं सरेंडर करता हूँ उस पे.
American.
अभी तो इंग्लिश के नाम भी नहीं
history.
याद आ रहे मेरे को, मैं तुक्का भी मारूं.
Okay, okay. So Govind, you can fight for 2 points.
एक क्वेश्चन मेरे लिए उतना ही टफ है जितना चेकोस्लोवाकिया की स्पेलिंग. सॉरी, पास.
Czechoslovakia spelling. Okay. So I give 3 points to Satya. The names are Mount Rushmore, George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. So it is Jefferson and Roosevelt that Satya missed. So Satya, you get 3 points on this. Okay, Anand, the next question goes to you. India and Bangladesh had a very complicated boundary until 2015 called the India-Bangladesh enclaves. What is the Bengali or Urdu name of such enclaves mentioned in our history? I mean, Indian history. If you give me even either name, there are 2 names. One is the Bengali name and one is the Urdu name. In Bengali, there are 2 words. And in Urdu, there is only 1 word. Urdu, 1 word, enclaves. It is also called that Urdu enclaves. So in Bengali, there are two words. It is also used in Hindi. So the second word relates to a very famous monument of India. In Bengali,
I'll make a final guess. I'll say
yeah.
Chit Mahal.
You are quite perfect. What about the Urdu name?
No idea about the Urdu name.
So I'll hold on to you. I'll give you some points on that.
Okay.
Govind.
Urdu word. Mulk.
Oh, no, I'll go to Satya. Satya, you got a chance here.
Sheher.
No. I'll give you one more chance for the go.
No, I'm not getting it.
Okay, so I'll give some points to Anand on this. It is Chitta Mahal. I'll give 3 points to Anant. And it is called Pasha Mahal or Pasha Enclaves. Okay, let me tell you the scores at the end of the session is Satya on 8, Anant on 14, and Govind on 15. Give it up to Govind.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for coming. Govind, you will go up to the next round. We will give you the date for the next round. We will compete with the other winners. So, Anant and Satya, thank you. Thank you for your time. And please.
Thank you, Amar bhai. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you, Amar.
And until then, ciao.